Rat.
What's that?
Rat.
Rat. Where is the rat? Wow, very good spelling si Ian. Go. Okay, check.
Gamay na chicken.
Oh. Okay. What is the next?
Ostret. Ostret.
That's hard.
Please.
No, that's hard. I forgot the spelling.
Oh.
Oh, then?
Ostret.
Oh. Then?
Ostret.
Ostrich. Say that. Try that. O. Os.
Os.
Mm.
S.
Okay. Next. Os.
T. T.
Yes.
This is ostret.
Next.
Is A.
No.
V.
No. Os. Listen. Os.
Red.
What
It's
letter?
R.
Yes. Good luck na lang na kung tama itong spelling ani. Then, E.
Ostret.
E.
E.
No. E. Diba? A, I, E. Ano ba? Ano, very good. Okay. Then,
C.
Sama na anak ko. Then, si Papa nangutot. Okay.
Baby the baby.
What did I tell you? Diba?
Ostret.
Diba? If you start the big letter, you should...
Uy, naikamod mo.
Yes, I know. Oh, small letter. Ibig na tanan next time, okay? Papa Jory, Google kung tama ang spelling namo ni Ian Ostrich. Sige na pa.
Ostret. T. T is not a ostret.
What?
T is a. Next letter. T.
Ako
Ostret.
naman ba? Pa-search ako man.
Ay, lagid taruga kay mo. Wang kuan ko
Gani. Ang banana.
Guys, anyan ang tao naman ni i-google lang among ostrich kung tama ba mong spelling ani. Okay, Ian, what is the next letter?
Ostret.
No. Ba?
T is man.
Ba?
Ba?
No.
No. Spelling C. Dinosaur like that.
It's so hard, Ian.
D.
Then?
A.
No. Kung English,
Oh, kana. Buaya.
very good. What letter?
Buaya.
Buhaya. Binakog, maingon na kag ay.